Hi, and welcome to the Tiny Tailor Workshop. I'm Sherri Colvin, and in this video tutorial we'll be making pants the easy way. I've put a link to the downloadable pattern for this project in the description below. We'll start with our pattern pieces, cut them out, and then place them on our table in mirror images. So you'll have your fronts and your backs. Now, starting with one of the front sides, and it doesn't matter which one, we're going to take our glue bottles and put a line of glue right where you see the white line going straight down the edge of the pants. And we'll switch over here to a different fabric so you can see a little better. This is our pants leg that we just put the glue on. We're going to flip that fabric over and press down to create a hem of sorts. Just press all the way down the pants leg and it will look something like this. We'll take another bead of glue and run it right down that folded over edge. Now we'll take the corresponding back piece and we'll press that down over the front piece that we just glued. And when we flip it over, it will look something like this. Now repeat the process with the other two pants pieces. We'll select one of those pants assemblies and put a glue line in the U shape along the crotch area and then turn it over just like you did on the pants leg edge, and you'll end up with something that looks like this. Only do that to one of the pants leg assemblies. It doesn't matter which one, just as long as it's just one. The next thing we're going to do is to check the hem of the pants leg. So to do that, we'll pull the pants leg onto the doll and fit it to the waist. Using the bottom of the doll's shoe as a guide, we'll cut off any excess fabric, leaving about 1/8 of an inch longer than we want the hem so that we will be able to turn it up and glue it. We'll take the pants off of the doll, put a line of glue all the way along the bottom of that pants leg, and then we will turn up the fabric just like we did before, making the hem. We'll repeat the process with the other pants leg. It's important to remember that you can't use one pants leg to determine the length of the other because one crotch area has been altered to be different than the other. So do them individually and they'll turn out perfect. This next step will help us determine the fitting of the side seam of the pants leg. Now you'll find that it helps to pin the pants to the doll while you're working on this. So we'll wrap the front part of the pants leg over the back part and fold and crease to fit. By rolling the back of the pants leg under the front, you can adjust the fit to be as narrow or as wide of a pants leg as you desire. Once we've adjusted, then we're going to put a bead of glue right down that folded edge and begin to press onto the back part of the pants leg, working your way all the way down to the bottom hem. Once that dries, you can refine the fit of the waistline by making a tiny pleat in the top of the pants. Secure the pleat with glue. And finally, we'll pull the other pants leg onto the doll, seaming it at the front and back with a line of glue. Then repeat the process of fitting the side seam with the other leg. Lastly, to secure your pants in place, tack the top edge of the waist fabric to the doll with the bead of glue. If you wish, you can finish this off with a waistband or a belt. And there you have it, a pretty straightforward way to make a pair of pants for a miniature doll. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it really helpful and informative. If you did, give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next Tiny Tailor Workshop. Bye-bye.